welcome you all to this session on risk and insurance management. In this session, let us discuss about the other steps in risk management. As you know, these are all steps involved in the risk management process. First one, communicate and consult. It repeats at every stage. Establish the context, identify the risk. Fourth, analyze the risk. These four steps we already discussed in earlier sessions. Fifth one, evaluate the risk. Sixth, treat the risk. Seven, monitor and review. That is the feedback. So this is the chart or figure. As you see, communicate and consult is indicated with the two-way arrow at every stage towards every stage. Similarly, monitor and review also indicated in a two-way. So last step to the last button step to that to the second step. That say circle continues if revision is required or change it has to be incorporated. So now the fifth step, evaluate the risk. After identifying and analyzing the risk, next one is evaluating. Analyzing by or evaluating by taking or plus and negatives. So risk evaluation involves comparing the level of risk found during the analysis process, that is at previous step, with the previously established risk criteria. That criterion has to be decided. The deciding whether these risks require treatment. Some risk may not need any treatment or cannot be avoided, which has to be retained, and firms or individual has to go along with that. The result and some other risks which are very severe and they has to be treated properly. Possible risk to be shifted at that person through some sort of devices or tools. The result of risk evaluation is a prioritizing list of risks that require further action, which should be first and which should follow, or which need not be focused or considered, and where more focus or attention should be given. And by taking into consideration the timing of exposure and say happening also. This step is about deciding whether risks are acceptable or need treatment. So risk acceptance. A risk may be accepted for the following reasons why it should be accepted. The cost of treatment far exceeds the benefit, you see. So the acceptance is the only option, applies particularly to a lower ranked risk. The level of the risk is so low that specific treatment is not appropriate with the available resources. Say some treatment that is very and treatment is very costly, and even the result of the treatment also same. The opportunities presented outweigh the threats to such a degree that the risk is justified. The risk is such that there is no treatment available. For example, the risk that the business may suffer storm damage. Then step 6, treat the risk. After evaluation will be prioritized and some be accepted. At this stage, sixth one, it is treat the risk. Risk treatment is about considering options for treating risk that were not considered or acceptable or tolerable at 5 step. Previous one cannot be, so it should be treated. Treatment involves identifying options for treating or controlling risk in order to either reduce or eliminate. Reduce through say insurance and or eliminate negative consequences, or to reduce the likelihood of an adverse occurrence. With all possible steps, the loss or casualties can be stopped. Risk statement should also aim to enhance positive outcomes. So options for risk treatment. Identify the following options that may assist in the minimization of negative risk or an increase in the impact of positive risk. Positive is good, that it enhance. Negative is bad, must be minimized and avoided. Possible. One is avoid the risk, change the likelihood of occurrence, change the consequences, share the risk, maybe through insurance, retain the risk, which is unavoidable. So tips for implementing risk treatments. The key to Managing risk is in implementing effective treatment options. When implementing the risk treatment plan, ensure that adequate resources are available and define a treat time frame when it should be timings, responsibility and method of monitoring the progress against the plan. So, whom should be made responsible for such a treatment? Physically check that the treatment implemented reduces the residual risk level. In order of priority, undertake remedial measures to reduce the risk. So these are certain tips to be followed for the better treatment of risk. Seventh one, monitor and review. It is a feedback system. So monitor and review is an essential and integral step in the risk management process. A business owner must monitor risk and review the effectiveness of the treatment plan at the undertaken or made at a sixth previous stage. Strategies and management system that have been set up to effectively manage the risk. So risk needed to be monitored periodically, maybe for revising this process or any plan, or to estimate, or to say when it is. You see, now we are in pandemic and the virus is muting every time. So mutate, and for every phase of mutation, there need to be a certain possible say studies and treatment ways and means to treat. So circumstances do not alter the risk priority. Very few risks will remain static. Therefore, the risk management process need to be regularly repeated. So it is like a circle, keeps on rotating, so that new risks are captured in the process and effectively managed. A risk management plan at a business level should be reviewed at least on an annual basis. An effective way to ensure that this occurs is to combine risk planning or risk review with the annual business planning. Annual business planning. So summary of risk management steps. What and all we have studied so far. First step, communicate and consult. Second one, establish the context. See, establish their external context, internal context, the risk management context, develop the risk evaluation criteria, define the structure for risk analysis. Third step, identify the risk, what can happen, when, where, and how. Fourth one, analyze the risk, determine existing controls, determine probability, determine consequences, estimate the level of risk. Then fifth one, evaluate the risk, compare with the criteria, set priorities, treat risk, yes or no like. So sixth step, treatment of risk or treat the risk, identify options, assess options, prepare treatment plans. Then seventh one, the monitor and review. Thank you. This is all about the risk management process, or steps in the risk management process. Seventh risk, can expect a big descriptive question on this topic.